In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get traffic to your affiliate links fast. And that way you can start earning money right away. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nate Valline with natevalline.com. And in this video, as I mentioned, I'm going to show you how you can get traffic to your affiliate link fast, often within 24 hours, so you can start earning money as soon as possible. Now, quickly, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any other great videos I'm putting out on how to make money online or even how to improve your skills as a marketer. And if you do enjoy this video or get some sort of value out of it, I would appreciate it if you did give this video a thumbs up as well. Now, we'll get into this. I'll stop dilly-dallying and I'll start sharing my computer screen here. And so I'm going to go about this video is I'm just going to show you an example on how I would put together my promotion to promote my affiliate link and get traffic to that link as quickly as possible. So if you don't have a product already, it's quite simple and you can get one to promote free just by going to clickbank.com. So you can create a free account. Once you get that account set up and logged in, you can just go up to the marketplace here. On the left-hand side are the categories of different products that you can promote. And so we'll just say like health and fitness. I don't know if you're in that industry or not. It'll pull up all the available products to promote. And all you have to do is choose the product, whatever one that you want to promote. You click the promote button and then you generate your hop links. So this hop link here, you want to make sure you get this whole link. If I can get the whole link. You want to get that entire link, and that is your affiliate link. So when you go to that link, it'll go to the sales page for that product. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So, but for this example, I'm going to show you a product that I am promoting. It's called the 4% Success Challenge. And this is a product that is a training platform to help train and educate affiliate marketers to be a better entrepreneur. And so I'm in the back office here, and I'm just going to go into the challenge funnel here, and I will get my affiliate link. So here under promo links, here's my affiliate link. So I just copy that. That takes me to the sales page, which is this page here. So from here, when I send traffic or traffic gets brought here, they still click through the buttons, they purchase the product. I then get a commission for them clicking through on my affiliate link. So the first thing I would do is I would want to set up an opt-in page. Now, the reason I want an opt-in page is because I want to make sure I capture the traffic or leads that I'm funneling through my pipeline. And so I use a program called ClickFunnels. It's one of the best I found online. And what it allows you to do is create custom landing pages. And it's a very simple plug and play type of program where you can go in, create a good looking website, and everything is customizable, plug and play. It doesn't require any coding or any website experience or anything like that. So what you would do, create an opt-in page where you drive traffic to this page, they'd enter their email, hit the button, and then that email gets put into your email list, and then they move on to the sales page. So those are kind of the steps in a basic format. So what I would do is when they click this button, I'm going to set the button, when they submit the order form, submit the form, I am then going to, on submit, put my affiliate link here. So when they click the button, they get directed to the sales page. Okay, pretty straightforward. So after I get my opt-in page built, I would then take this link here. So this is the link that goes to the opt-in page. Then the opt-in page goes to the sales page. I hope I'm not losing you here. So I take this opt-in page link, and now I also use tracking software called ClickMagick. What ClickMagick is exactly that. It tracks the stats of the performance of your links. So I would create a link to a tracking link that will go to the opt-in page, and then it'll track that conversion and then the conversion to the sales page. And so I just create a link name here. Let's name this, we'll just go example. Choose your domain. I'm going to put that the opt-in page link in here, and I just create the link. And now so down here is that link. So now this link here is the link that I'm going to promote to my traffic. That way when people click this link, the stats, it'll be tracked. It'll take them to the opt-in page. And then once they submit their email address on the opt-in page, they will then be directed to the sales page. So those are now the full steps of my promotion funnel. So now, how do you drive the traffic? So traffic is probably one of the most important aspects to understand. The funnel process that I just went through, it's all mechanics. It's very easy to pick up on, and once you understand how the different programs operate and function, it's very easy to create those opt-in pages, very easy to do all the links so that you go send the traffic to the right spot at the right time. That is all very easy. Now when it comes to traffic, there's definitely more of an art to it. It's still a science, but there's a little bit more of an art. And there's different forms of traffic. There's fast traffic, there's high converting traffic, there's warm leads, cold leads. Like there are all kinds of different forms of traffic. And so the traffic that I'm going to show you in this video is fast traffic. Like I mentioned when I started the video, we want to get traffic to our affiliate links fast. That way we can start capturing email addresses. We can possibly get sales in the first 24 hours. And the traffic source that I am going to show you is called solo ads. Solo ads are where you purchase certain amount of clicks from other individuals that have large email lists, thousands, millions of people on their email list. And you purchase from them, say like 50 clicks, 100 clicks, 10,000 clicks, whatever it may be. And they shoot out an email to their list, and those email recipients then click through. And when they click your link, that counts as a click. And so the service provider that I use, this is a very quality service provider. It's called Udemy, udemy.com. And again, you can create a free account. They do have a premium account, a prime account, where you get some extra bonuses for going prime. But what this is you can find sellers. It's a platform where they have hundreds of sellers, and you can browse through them and choose the right seller for your offer. You can come through, you can see Marquine here, his clicks. He offers a click for 69 cents. He's getting good reviews, 31% of the time he's getting sales. So if we click on his name here and go into his page, we can get more details from him. So he specializes in the business opportunity niche, marketing software, BizOp, MLM, affiliate offers. He offers over delivery. So there's a little description here. Here is where you can select how many visitors or clicks you want. So it looks like he offers a max of 400 per order. And so you can choose your date that you want it delivered. So the day that I'm shooting this video is March 7th. So I could order March 8th. He would start delivering this order. You can choose top tier only, mobile only, no mobile. You can have just put in your affiliate link here. So the link that I would put in would be this link here. Oh, don't know what just happened. We'll copy this. So we just put this link in here, just like that. And if I were to submit the order right as this, he would draft email to be sent to his list. Or if I click this, I have add text, I can create the email that I want to be sent, and he will forward that for me. It'll tell you the total price. So for 400 visitors, it would cost me $279. Or you could drop it down and say, I only want 50, which is his minimum, would only be $38. So that's not very much at all. So, you could get 50 clicks to your offer in 24 hours for $38. That's very affordable. You can find it even cheaper if you wanted. By browsing through here, here's a 40 cents per click, 95. So this guy's a bit more expensive at 95 cents. So you can really see there's there's a lot of different available sellers out here that you can really take advantage of and leverage a little bit of money to get traffic to your site. So we'll just go back into Mark's profile here. So you enter in your information, you add it to cart, you check out, yada, yada. Also on his site, you can see where his traffic geography is, more testimonials, reviews, everything like that. So you can see how this traffic is performing, if it's quality, if it's top tier, whatever. And so you can really choose the right seller or traffic provider, solo ad provider for your promotion. It might take a few minutes to go through and find a suitable seller for your promotion, but it is something that you can do quickly. And typically, once you have your opt-in page set up, your link set up, you could come in here, spend 30 minutes or less, find a seller, order 50 clicks, 100 clicks for less than $100, maybe less than $50, and then you're going to have traffic coming to your affiliate link. It's that simple. I mean, you can't get much more simple than that. $30, $50, you get 50 clicks or more, and you're driving traffic to your affiliate's link, which then adds people to your email list that you can then promote to continuously so that you can generate more sales. You might even get sales on the front end out of those 50 clicks right away. So I hope all this makes sense to you. It is a very simple process once you go through it. If you want to learn more on how to do it the right way, how to set everything up the right way, make sure you click that link, my link in the description for my #1 recommended full-time income online. That is for the 4% challenge that I showed you. Great information, can't go wrong. So with that, I'll wrap this up. If you do get some value out of this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up or like, share. If you have any questions, comments, leave those in the description below. And most importantly, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of my great videos. With that, my name is Nate Valline, natevalline.com. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great day.